what's going on, guys? My name is David Amador. I'm from San Antonio, Texas. Just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been playing drums since I was 5 years old. So I've been playing for 20 plus years. I self-taught myself just by listening to music, listening to bands I liked, such as like Slipknot, Blink-182, Pantera, Metallica. I would just listen to them through my headphones and just play along, and that's how I got better. And I've been through a lot of different bands in the past 10 years, but now I have a new project called Blemish TX. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Spotify. We just released 2 new songs, so be sure to check it out. I've been with them for over a year and a half, almost 2 years. And we're going strong. We just released a new music video too, so be sure to check that out on YouTube. So let me talk about my favorite brand right now, Collision. So I use 5A drumsticks. To me, it's just like, they're not too heavy, they're pretty light, and I just like the way they feel and the way they play, and they last a long time. Like, had this pair for like already a couple months already, and still like still in great condition. I just like everything about the Collision brand. I like how they support their drummers, how they go out of the way to give you a phone call and keep you updated, send you emails. And I feel like Collision is like one of the companies that's gonna blow up. There's always other drum companies, of course, but I feel like they don't really care or cater to the artists like how Collision does. So that's my favorite thing about Collision. I could go on and on about Collision, but I really do appreciate them giving me a chance. And yeah, I do recommend checking these out. If you haven't never tried Collision before, do yourself a favor, order now. But right now, I'm about to show you a clip from my last practice, just playing through one of our songs. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you later.